caught without warning. These encounters reveal entities moving and acting in ways that defy logic, immersing viewers in experiences that feel as if they are happening right before their eyes. Headless figure with no hands, spotted on remote Tenay Road. Shared by Reddit user Bohan4209 on January 31st, 2026. This footage captures a chilling encounter along the mountain roads of Tenay, Rizal. The poster and his friends often drive this route late at night, choosing midweek trips to avoid traffic. On one particular night around 2 a.m., as they were returning to Manila, something unusual appeared along a remote stretch of road, far from houses or any local establishments. The sighting was striking and unnerving, leaving the group questioning what they had. Terrifying creature spotted in Slovakian forest. This video shared on Reddit shows a mysterious creature moving through a dense Slovakian forest. Its form is partially obscured by trees, making it difficult to identify with certainty. The brief footage has sparked debate among viewers, with some speculating it could be an unknown animal, a hoax, or something more inexplicable. The ambiguity of the sighting has left many questioning what was really captured on camera. Massive-limbed, pale crawler, spotted on camera. In this footage shared on Reddit, a strange figure emerges along the horizon line, immediately drawing attention. Its pale, elongated limbs move in ways that appear unnaturally flexible, creating a sense of unease as it shifts and bends against the background. The brief sighting has left viewers questioning whether it depicts an unknown creature, a trick of the light, or something far more sinister. Husband dies in sleep, spirit appears to haunt wife. CCTV footage shows a couple asleep together, but something in the room feels unsettling. The wife begins hearing strange noises and noticing unusual, seemingly paranormal activity. When she attempts to wake her husband, she discovers that he does not respond. Initially, it is assumed that he has passed away and that the spirit now present in the room is his. However, some speculate the phenomenon may not be a haunting at all, but rather a lingering connection. Certain spiritual traditions suggest that death is not always an ending. It can represent a transition, a tether, or a bond that persists even after the body is gone. The sensation experienced is not necessarily one of fear. In some cases, it reflects attachment, a mind clinging to the love it cannot leave behind, searching for presence even when the physical form no longer remains.
up. Wake up. Up, baby, wake up! What the fuck? What the fuck, baby? Wake up, wake up, wake up. Something, open the door. Aren't you waking up? Baby, wake up! Wake up! Oh my God, baby. Wake up! Wake up! What the fuck? Baby! Wake up! Why the fuck are you awake? Are you okay? What the fuck?
Animal stares at unknown creature in forest. In this clip, an animal is seen standing alert, fixated on something deep within the woods. At first glance, it might be mistaken for a typical deer, dog, or other wild animal. However, as the footage continues from 110 to 140, it becomes increasingly unsettling. The figure being observed does not resemble any ordinary creature. Its shape and posture suggests something entirely unfamiliar, leaving viewers questioning what the animal is reacting to. Mysterious figure levitates. In Veracruz tree. In the Mexican coastal state of Veracruz, a video recorded by a worker from Petróleos Mexicanos, Pemex, in Tamiahua, gained significant attention on social media in early 2025. The clip shows a dark, human-like silhouette perched high among the branches of a tree during broad daylight. At first, the figure appears motionless, but its unusual posture and elevated position sparked speculation about its nature. Many viewers commented that the shape resembled a bruja, witch, drawing on local folklore and cultural mythology to explain the mysterious sighting. ghostly shadow, hovering over patient in Chinese hospital. This clip, shared on X, shows a ghostly shadow drifting silently above a patient's bed in a hospital in China. The figure's presence is fleeting but unmistakably eerie, leaving an unsettling impression on anyone observing the footage.
能爬起，过山了吧？啊！我操，好吓人！
走了走了，
又来了，
又回来了。这回在这儿呢。
这呢，这不。